Stop or not?
I believe it was Mark Twain who said, "Silence is a true friend who never betrays." Well, thank you, friends, for this special comments episode of Stop or Not, episode 30.
Let's see, they stopped for the pedestrian. Well, they did, about one car length past the stop sign. So that means they stopped at the stop sign. Comments, let me know. Does it count if you stop at the stop sign one car length back from the limit line? Because I'm going to say it doesn't. I think that defeats the purpose. You can roast me in the comments though.
Your comments now.
Yeah, but for the legal part of it, if you're going 1 mph past it, you should not be punished for it. Any ticket is to promote safety and make sure they make you want to stop and look. But let's be real, talking about safety. You could see no one is there and go 5 miles per hour. You should not get a ticket for that.
Thank you, Law Dog Raw Dog. I am not a lawyer, so I have no legal response to that. But thanks for the subscription.
Another Hollywood knot. Nope. Another no. Oh man, totally ran that stop sign.
Your comments now.
How sad does your life have to be to make videos out of this? Tell your city you want a roundabout. I didn't know my mental state and people running stop signs were tied together. I'll keep that in mind. Thank you very much, Nigel.
Nope, no full complete stop. Another no.
Your comments now.
Everything about you in the description screams Karen.
Thank you again for the insightful comment, user B. See you next Tuesday. I appreciate that you liked the video, subscribed, and made the comment. Everything you do will help us reach our goal of 500 subscribers. You too can help me reach that goal. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video.
And a no. Slow in and go in City of El Cerrito. Makes me proud. Oh, City of El Cerrito, so close. Come on, whatever you are. Jeep, nope, go to the Jeep. Remember, we're harsh judges here. We are the most petty of petty. A full and complete stop is only one thing, a full and complete stop. Zero momentum. All right, Toyota. Still rolling. No full and complete stop. Prius. Nope. So close though. Tesla. No for the Tesla. Camry. Yes, Camry. Congratulations. Gold star. You brought honor to your family. He stopped for a pedestrian, but we're still going to give it to him. All right, Mazda. Dishonorable Mazda driver. Full complete stop, gold star. That's a knot. Oh my God, horrible. What did we see here? That was a travesty. Let me know in the comments if that was the worst one yet. Wow, what was that? Was he trying to beat the last guy? still haven't stopped completely for the pedestrian. Shameful. You're supposed to stop completely until a pedestrian has completely crossed the crosswalk. I know that's petty, but here at Stop or Not Nation, we live for petty.
Thank you very much for watching Stop or Not episode 30. If you enjoyed the video, a thumbs up is always appreciated. We ask that you subscribe to the channel to help me meet the goal of 500 subscribers. I would really appreciate anything you can do for the channel, but just watching it is always enough for me. Until next time, Stop or Not Nation, we're out.